Very good morning, dear students. It's me, Danish Azam, Faculty of Social Science. Dear students, today I am going to restart the chapter, The Story of Village Palampur. There are three very important questions. Question number 1, question number 2, and question number 3. And today I am going to describe all questions. So first question is, write 5 important features of Green Revolution. And these are 5 points. With the help of it, I am going to describe every point. Dear students, first of all, let's understand what was Green Revolution. So, dear students, Green Revolution refers to a period of time in India when agriculture was converted into an industrial system due to the adoption of modern methods like use of tractors, use of HYV seeds, use of chemical fertilizers. Okay, and it was introduced in late 1960s. Indian farmers used to grow only 1300 kg wheat or rice per hectare, but it got tripled by using HYV seeds, and they started to grow 3200 kg of wheat or rice per hectare. Okay, per hectare. And farmers of Punjab and farmers of Haryana and farmers of Western Uttar Pradesh benefited a lot from Green Revolution, and see it even today that in the field of agriculture, these states don't have any match and any competitors. Okay, and a large increase also has been seen in the production of wheat and pulses. Farmers only grew 10 million tons of wheat and pulses in 1965, but they completed a production target of 97 million wheat and 24 million tons of pulses in 2018, and it only became possible after Green Revolution. Second question is, enumerate and elucidate 3 negative effects of Green Revolution. So dear students, there is very famous proverb and saying that every coin has 2 parts. In the same way, everything has positive and negative effects as well. So positive effect of Green Revolution is evident and everyone knows, but negative effects of Green Revolution are not widely discussed and debated. So now we are going to analyze negative effects of Green Revolution as well. Okay, these are 3 points. Okay, revolution led to loss of soil fertility due to excessive use of chemical fertilizers, because chemical fertilizers kills bacteria living inside the soil that leads to infertility of soil. Okay, and it has also led to depletion of groundwater due to excessive use of tube well, and we know that groundwater is also available in fixed amount, so it is being exhausted by the use of tube well. Okay, and third point is main sufferer Punjab. So therefore Punjab and Haryana are facing problem of soil degradation and soil fertility and scarcity of water due to use of chemical fertilizers and due to excessive use of tube wells. So you can understand how Green Revolution affected Punjab and Haryana. Now I am going to describe question number 3. How is land distributed between farmers of Palampur? These are few important points. Okay. Land distribution in Indian villages like Palampur is unjust and discriminatory. How it is unjust and discriminatory? 1/3 families living in every Indian village are landless. They are only working on lands as laborers, and they are forced to live a very hard and painstaking life. Okay. Second point. So 2/3 families in every Indian village own land less than 2 hectares or 8 bighas. Okay, so 2/3 families living in every Indian village own land less than 2 hectares. Third point is there are two types of farmers. There are two types of farmers, namely marginal farmers who account for 85% and medium farmers who account for 15%. Okay, in other words, we can say that marginal farmers are those who own land less than 8 bighas or 2 hectares, and medium farmers are those farmers who own land more than 2 hectares or more than 8 bighas. Okay, as per agriculture census 2011, medium farmers who are only 15% own 55% of land, and marginal farmers who are 85% own only 45% of land. Okay, this data shows how unjust and discriminatory is land distribution found in villages like Palampur. So our government also should think about it so that land should be distributed equally among all farmers of India. Hope you understood every point one by one. Thank you. Bye for now. Khuda Hafiz.